Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by opening the Files app and selecting the Browse tab so you can see locations. You'll want iCloud Drive and any third-party services enabled. This makes remote files act like local folders. Next, create meaningful folders now. Tap the folder icon or long press empty space so you don't scramble later. Once done, pin frequently used locations for faster access. This reduces hunting time and keeps your workflow focused when you start moving and organizing items. You'll now pick files and relocate them efficiently. Tap Select to choose multiple files, then drag them or use Move to pick a destination. This consolidates related items. If you need cross-app transfers, open Split View and drag files into another app. This is faster for attachments and imports. For better organization, long press an item to rename, compress, duplicate, or add tags. These actions give searchable metadata and a quick recovery path. Finish by sharing and tidying your storage so the system stays performant. Use the share sheet to send files, copy links, or open in other apps. When importing, pick Save to Files to keep a copy. Then clean up, empty recently deleted and inspect iPad storage in Settings to reclaim space. If a file won't move, make sure you have permission and that cloud services are online. If problems persist, restart the Files app or the iPad to reset temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.